So ang topic ko for today is all about motherhood. Women are not supposed to have kids. They supposed to want to. It is a decision to become a mother. You must be cognitively, emotionally, physically, and spiritually ready. Hindi po madali ang maging ina. Marami akong natutunan sa pagiging isang nanay. Ang ilan doon, being a mom is a big sacrifice. Being a mother is learning about strength you didn't know na kaya mo pala siyang gawin. So, self-fulfillment, habang tumatanda na lumalaki yung anak ko, no? Andun yung self-fulfillment na itong mga batang to, napalaki ko to ng maayos. Yung hirap naman ng pagiging nanay, my dear. Hindi yan permanente. Like yung sinasabi sa sarili ko noon, malalampasan ko to. Dadating yung time's up na daw. Dadating yung time na lalaki din sila. At pag lumaki na sila, tayo na yung maghahabol, sabi ko kay boss. So children are only little for a blink. Then, they are all grown up. Make sure to make each moment matters.